Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to get a very beautiful natural look. This is the ultimate makeup tutorial on how to do it, how to look natural and how to look healthy, and you are gonna look like you drink a shit ton of water. So if you're trying to look for a makeup tutorial that is literally like 5 steps, super easy, and that is gonna give you the most beautiful glow in your face, then just keep on watching. All right, girl, so first things first, I am going to start by telling you that you should also consider doing a skincare routine every day, every night, and stuff like that. That is very important. Do simple stuff. If you guys want me to make a video on what I use for my face, it's nothing crazy. It really seen a lot of difference in my skin, and it's gonna make a big difference. Yeah, more if you're aging. Like, I'm 28 years old. I'm gonna be as hot as I can be at my 30 years old. Anyways, let's move on to the video.
It's time to put our hair back so it's not in the way.
I'm in love with my forehead. That's more space for me to be artistic. That's how I take it. Always start by putting gloss on. Like, if you're gonna look glowy, you have to put your gloss on first. Okay, so this is my all-time favorite moisturizer for a person that doesn't use a lot of skincare. This is like a life-changing to me, and I never share my deepest secrets, but since you guys have been very supportive with me and you guys have really been showing me your love in my YouTube channel and my journey, that I really want to share my deepest secrets. Anyways, let's get in it, girl. Let's get in it. This is what I want you to use. This is called Glassy by Touch Soul. Now I want to put something out there. My skin type is not everybody's skin type. I have normal to dry skin type. So if you want to invest on this, I think it's like $17. So if you really want to invest in this, I highly recommend it. It's not too expensive. And if you don't like it, then you can give it to someone else, perhaps me. The next thing you want to do is put a little bit of concealer wherever you need it. Don't put a lot, because then again, it's the natural glow. You're trying to look like you didn't even do anything. That is just pure skincare. Remember, catfishing, it's the way to go, bitch. And I'm not doing anything too like out of this world either. Like I said, if you're going for the I take care of my skin and that's all I do look, then you have to let those imperfections peek through a little bit, okay? So don't get too deep in it, because then you're not gonna be able to achieve this look. All right, when I said that, then I go right into my bronzer. Goes my technique. You know how before you used to go like this, right? Like, it will be like from here to... Don't do that anymore. That is in the past makeup world. Don't stop. Don't do it. Stop. Now what you're gonna do, actually, people are starting this new technique that I really like. So you're pretty much gonna go from your cachetes, where you smile, and then you're gonna go like this, and then you're gonna start here, and then you're gonna start there. Now this technique fits my face shape. So if you're really into like what fits your face shape and what doesn't, then you do you, girl. I am not telling you to do I'm not telling you how to do your makeup. Like, I am just telling you what's on trend. So if you want to be on trend, follow my lead, bitch.
Do not suck your cheeks in. Instead, apply bronzer on your cheekbone like so, bitch.
So with this technique, you just have to think about your bronzer as a part of your blush, if that makes any sense. okay? And then you're gonna go color like this that has shimmer and like skin type or skin color blush. And then you're gonna grab it, smile, extend it like this. Start preparing the transition from your blush to the highlighter, if that makes any sense to anybody else other than me. Mix the colors together so that it all looks natural, looks natural for everybody else. Do whatever your gut tells you to do. And then I'm gonna grab this. This is like a champagne color. You're gonna wanna hit right there, right there. That's it, bitch. This is how the skin is looking, okay? Set your under eye. The product that I use is this by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's basically just like a powder that is not gonna dry out your under eye skin, and it's gonna make it look more like filter. Don't put a lot of powder if you're trying to look glowy. Okay? I hope the camera is capturing this because it looks fucking gorgeous in person. Now, this is my all-time secret. You guys, I really hope you guys are already like sharing and copying the link so you can share these secrets with your friends. Just kidding. Don't be like that. Share the secrets, share the love. If you're liking this video so far, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, I don't give a fuck, girl. You do you. This is the next step. This is called Hollywood Flawless Filter. I mean, filters are on trend. Filter in real person. Yeah, bitch. This, you can apply it on top of any powder. I don't know what you would consider this product, but it's fucking gorgeous. It's, I don't know. This is not very, it's not inexpensive at all. But, is it worth it? Fuck yeah, it's worth it. Invest in your fucking face, bitch. What the fuck? I don't like to use a lot of tools because I don't know, I just feel that the hand melts the product a lot better. I don't put a lot because this fucking thing either can help you or fuck you up. Be careful and be mindful. Yeah, like a liquid in person filter. In like a highlighter in liquid. And it's actually better because it's moisturizing your fucking face as well. I am a fucking artist. And that's that. And I already did my eyebrow. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, just go to my last video and I'll show you how to do my eyebrows. My eyebrows, they still have to grow more. My eyebrows grow super fucking quick. The only thing I do is grab my own fucking bronzer and literally go like this. I will be showing you how I do my eyeshadow. But right here, like, that's all I do. If I want to be extra, I'll pop in like some mascara, do my eyelashes. But if I'm just trying to be like this, then I'm just like that. You know what I mean? Obviously, you want to do your hair because, oh my god, did I even do my hair today? I didn't do my hair very well today. I didn't want to, I just like put it in and whatever. But yeah, you guys, if you guys like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here it is. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to share me with your friends, girl. Don't be an envidiosa. Bye.